Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This year is a unique year, and as we are approaching the special day, the day of al-Fitr, after fasting the full month of Ramadan, we are approaching our day of celebration, the day of al-Fitr. Now this year is different to most other years, and this is a year where many of us will find ourselves praying in our homes. So this is a very brief tutorial to try to help assist with how we perform the Salat al-Eid. So firstly, once we are in the right position and facing the Qibla, now remembering we might be praying alone. If not, we might be praying with our family, making our own congregation, our own small jama'ah inside our homes. Praying alone is permissible, and praying in a small congregation is also permissible. So once we are prepared, once we are facing the Qibla and we are ready to begin, the first thing of course is our intention, making sure we have made our intention to pray Eid al-Fitr. And then we begin with the first takbir, known as takbiratul ihram, and we commence by saying takbir, Allahu Akbar. Now silently, after making this takbir, this is when it is sunnah to recite Dua al-Iftitah, also known as Dua al-Istiftah. And this, if we have memorized one of the du'as to say, there are a number of options according to hadith as to what we can say. If we have not memorized what to say, that's fine, the salah is still valid, inshallah. And after we have made this first takbir, then we make 7 takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. After the 7th takbir, this is when we recite Surah al-Fatiha, followed by another surah. And then, as normal, we make our takbir to go down for ruku'. Allahu Akbar. Sami'a Allahu liman hamida. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now after we have stood up to begin our second rak'ah, this is when we say 5 takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. And then we recite Surah al-Fatiha, followed by another surah. And then the rest of the salah is as normal. Allahu Akbar. Sami'a Allahu liman hamida. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.